at the time, the COBRA was $600, which sounds like nothing by today's standards, but $600 is $600 that we did not have. So what was I going to do in order to find the $600? Maybe I could just do that. And if I do 3 parties a month, I'll make $200. So that's what I did. I bought a kit. I did 3 parties and my paycheck was $604. So whatever it is that you need, that's why I shared the story about the $600 a month that I needed starting in this business, because I knew that for me to consider this business a success, $600 a month needed to be directly deposited into my family's checking account. Because if I could make $600 a month, I could continue to be a stay-at-home mom. If I did not make $600 a month, I was going to have to go back to full-time teaching. And what's your number? So what's your number? But, there's no way to lose money trying this business because the kit itself is $129. For that, you get to pick out $500 worth of jewelry of your choice. You get a website that is up and running immediately. But also, we do a launch party to start you in the business, because at the end of that party, in addition to keeping all the free jewelry, the reason why Erica had 7 parties before she joined the team, in addition to getting those host credits, you also keep the paycheck on the party. Your life could be different tonight. You could be picking out your $500 jewelry kit tonight. And within less than a week, have your whole jewelry kit in hand to start showing off, your party up and running. A week from tomorrow, you will have a direct deposit in your account. That's going to beat your holiday bills. If you're looking to have a debt-free holiday, let's get you making some money and get you up and running.